Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to move an image to the middle in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to move an image on the middle in this page. Firstly we insert a image. Go to the insert menu, then click picture option and select a picture from our file. Now I select the picture and insert it. Now we can see here we not move this picture. We click the picture and go to the format menu. Then click wrap text option and choose in front of text. Then resize the picture some small. Then we can see here we move very easily this picture on the middle or other side. You can apply another effect like picture style. Click the picture style drop down menu and apply another style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.